Today we're going to read a non-fiction book. A non-fiction book is a real book and you're going to learn some facts. Today you're going to learn some facts about animal habitats in this real book or non-fiction book. It's written by Julie Lundgren and you might be able to read along with me today. Hope you enjoy the story. Hello, habitat. A habitat is where an animal lives. Most black bears live in forests. An octopus lives in the sea. Animals need food, water, and shelter to live. They find these things in their habitat. Some turtles need sunny places to warm themselves. Some butterflies need flowers. They drink the sweet nectar. Heaps of habitats. Animals live in habitats on land and in water. Land habitats include forests, grasslands and deserts. Prairie dogs live in grasslands. Deserts get very little rain. They can be cold or hot. The Arctic fox lives in a kind of cold desert called a tundra. Some lizards live in hot deserts. That's spiky lizard. Tropical rainforests are warm and wet all year. These habitats are near the equator. And look at this map of the world. The equator is right through the middle. Many kinds of monkeys live in the trees in tropical rainforests. Oceans, lakes and wetlands are water habitats. You can find frogs and ducks in wetlands. Oceans are salty water habitats. Most lakes are fresh water habitats. Sharks patrol ocean waters looking for their next meal. Freshwater pike live in many North American lakes. Looks like a nice long fish. Changing habitats. People change habitats. These changes may hurt animals. Oil spills can spoil water and land habitats. If you look at that picture, you can see the oil has washed up on the beach. Sometimes people cause big changes to habitats, and then animals cannot find what they need. Cutting down trees changes the forest habitat. People must help take care of habitats. I wonder how these people are helping. I bet you know. Here are some questions for you to think about. Can you name some land habitats? What animals live in water habitats? How can people care for animal habitats? And then we have our glossary. In a non-fiction book, a glossary is where it tells you the definition of words that you found in the book. Throughout the book, these words are also in that bold writing. Go back and see if you can find them.